like falling deeper. Colder nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me. Can't you hold my hand and lead. 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어. 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여. 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔. 불그스름한 노을의 색깔. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me. Can't you hold my hand and lead. I just wanna know what you're thinking, wondering all day long. Not gonna do another pick and choosing you with me in this song. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me. Can't you hold my hand and lead. Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Let him think drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna.
So these are actually the items that I got from Bookstreet. Yeah. So there, I got a notebook and a magnet that's really cute. And then itong pins, like pin badge that you can pin anywhere, like probably your t-shirt or eto nga bag. So I got this bag then from Bentan Market naman. It's a handmade bag, that's why I got this. I love things all handmade. And then eto, super cute, isn't it cute? The purring is very lovely. Music, diba? It's so cute because I really love cats. And then yeah, I really bought this for the bag para may accent siya, diba? Because I really love cats. Yeah, I'm a cat person. So there. Yeah, so if you ever go to Vietnam, come check these items out. They're really good.
Right,